Our Erowa Uniholder ER-093774 for compatible EWIS U25 brass holder offers unparalleled precision for mounting electrodes and workpieces with shank sizes of up to 25 mm. This is crucial for achieving the exacting standards required in the CNC and EDM industry. Rapid holding systems Erowa type U holders are available in various sizes, starting from 15 mm up to 50 mm. This particular one is U25 with a slot size of 25.5 mm and is ideal for securely clamping 25 mm workpieces. These holders are offered in aluminum, brass, and stainless steel materials to suit your machining needs and can be integrated with the Erowa tooling system chucks. Ready to elevate your manufacturing game? Visit our website to explore our full range of high-quality EDM and CNC tools. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.